I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you. Talk like you do. You say it's true. Can act like me. Can life be you and do.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to SoCal Exploring and welcome back to another Halloween Horror Nights 2019 construction update. Today we're going to be checking out all Halloween Horror Nights construction, and if you want to keep up to date with more of our construction updates for Halloween Horror Nights, make sure to check us out and click that subscribe button, and make sure to keep up to date with our social media pages at SoCal Exploring Media on Instagram, at SoCal Exploring on Twitter, and visit our website www.socalexploring.com. With that being said, enjoy the video and Halloween Horror Nights 2019 construction. Well, that wraps it up for this Halloween Horror Nights Hollywood 2019 construction update. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think I'm going to start forming my construction updates more like this. This way I don't disturb the audio of the tram or anything. Instead, I can just film and then put music over it and the titles like I did as you saw in this video. If you want to keep up to date with more HHN updates, make sure to check us out on our social media pages at SoCal Exploring Media on Instagram and at SoCal Exploring on Twitter. And subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos, construction updates, and Universal vlogs or theme park vlogs in general. We do it all here at SoCal Exploring, so make sure to subscribe and visit our website SoCalExploring.com for more detailed theme park updates and haunted attraction news. I have been Scott. You have been watching SoCal Exploring. Positivity is key, and most importantly, remember to keep exploring. Peace.